Welcome back to Nerd. So in this video, we'll be solving GATE CS 2018 Aptitude section for question 7. So let's get started with it. So here they have given that if PQR is not equal to 0 and P raised to minus X is equal to 1 by Q, Q raised to minus Y is equal to 1 by R, and R raised to minus Z is equal to 1 by P, what is the value of the product of X, Y, Z? So let's get started with our solution. So these are the first three given equations. And then this is your first equation. So I've solved this in two steps. So firstly, I've evaluated my first equation in terms of equation 3. So I got P, putting P from, welcome back to Nerd. So in this video, we'll be solving GATE CS 2018 Aptitude section for question 7. So let's get started with it. So here they've given that if PQR is not equal to 0 and P raised to minus X is equal to 1 by Q, Q raised to minus Y is equal to 1 by R, and R raised to minus Z is equal to 1 by P. What is the value of product of XYZ? So let's get on to a solution. So these are the three given equations. Now first I've taken this equation, first equation 1 by Q is equal to P raised to minus X, and then I've evaluated it in terms of equation 3, so that I've evaluated P in terms of R here. So I got R raised to minus XZ, that is R raised to minus Z is multiplied by X, that is for P, and then you get this. And in a similar manner, I've evaluated the same equation, first equation in terms of equation 2, and I got the answer in terms of Q here. So in these two steps, I got Q raised to minus XYZ and 1 by Q raised to XYZ. You can try out this evaluation is very easy if you try it out on um, paper. So as you know, 1 by Q raised to XYZ is Q raised to minus XYZ. So the ratio of this thing is going to be 1, right? So if you evaluate the powers of these two equations here, so you'll get XYZ is equal to 1. Now this method can be a bit difficult as you have to evaluate ratios in terms of powers. There's one very simple method using log, but I've taken this as my first method because most of the people are not comfortable with log. So if you want to see how it can be solved in log, so check out this second method in which I've solved it. Here it is given that PQ is equal to 0 and these are the three given equations. So I've cross multiplied it to get a simpler form. And then these three equations, I've taken log on both sides. So you get this, and after evaluating this, I've taken x on the front, and after evaluation, you get the value of x as log q upon log p. And similarly, I've solved for equation second and third. I've got value of x, y, z, and I've multiplied this LHS by RHS, and then I've got this equation right here. And then log q, log r, and log p gets cancelled, and then you get xyz is equal to 1 as your answer. So this is very simple, guys. If you know log, this can be very easy for you to solve. And then 1 is our option C. So this is how it can be done. Thank you for watching.